front of me is XIAOMI 17T, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. All you need to do is find System folder that's already on your XIAOMI, this one called System Apps, and from it select File Manager. Now click on Consent. Click on Browse at the bottom right corner and finally select Download folder. As you can see, all of my downloaded files are here. To open one, click on it. And to manage one, use all of those options at the bottom. You can also hold one, tap on all of those you want to manage, and operate those options at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!